I just wanted to take a moment and thank you all for your patronage and your just for following along. You know, I don't think I've ever really said how much I appreciate having to just doing this and meeting a lot of you, a lot of the people that I've come to know, and the same names show up every so often. You get familiar with them. I haven't met the faces. I haven't met the people behind the names, but the personality shines through. There's just days where it makes my day to see those familiar names. Anyway, I don't want to make this into some mushy crap, you know, but anyway, thank you everybody. Thank you for following along, and please leave some suggestions in the comments below as I make this turn in my life. I wouldn't call it a homeless situation, but living on the road, just living on the road. So far, I love it, but it's left me with gaps as far as content and what to do about that. So I'd love to hear from you.